Master irregular comparatives and superlatives in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that is often tricky for many English learners. We're going to look at irregular comparative and superlative adjectives. These are the adjectives that don't follow the regular rules when we want to compare things or people. So, let's get started. Before we start with the irregular forms, let's quickly revisit what comparatives and superlatives are. Comparatives are forms of adjectives that compare two things. For instance, in the sentence, "He is taller than me," taller is the comparative form of the adjective tall. Superlatives, on the other hand, are used when you compare more than two things. For example, in the sentence, "She is the smartest in the class," smartest is the superlative form of smart. Now, most adjectives follow a pattern to form their comparatives and superlatives. We add or est to the end, or use more or most before the adjective. However, some adjectives don't follow these rules. These are called irregular adjectives. Let's take a look at some common irregular adjectives. 1. Good. The comparative form is better, and the superlative form is best. 2. Bad. This changes to worse and worst. 3. Far. This one is tricky as it has two forms, farther and farthest for physical distance, and further and furthest for figurative distance. 4. Little. Its comparative is less, and the superlative is least. 5. Much, many. These both change to more and most. Remember, these words don't follow the regular patterns, so you'll just need to memorize them. Now that we know these forms, let's see how we can use them in sentences. 1. This book is better than the one I read last week. Comparative. 2. Of all the books I've read, this one is the best. Superlative. 3. His condition is worse today than yesterday. Comparative. 4. This is the worst movie I've ever seen. Superlative. 5. She lives further from the city than we do. Comparative. 6. Of all my friends, he lives the furthest. Superlative. 7. There is less sugar in this cake than in that one. Comparative. 8. This has the least sugar of all the cakes. Superlative. 9. We need more volunteers for the event. Comparative. 10. This is the most fun I've had in years. Superlative. And there you have it. You now know the irregular comparative and superlative forms of some common adjectives. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these. Try using them in your everyday conversations and you'll get the hang of it in no time. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more English language learning topics. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.